Hi, this is Kenyon with Little Giant Ladder Systems. Today we're going to demo the telescoping plank. Telescoping plank is available in a few different sizes. All the functionality is the same. And regardless of how you've set your ladder up with the trussel brackets are designed to put the ladder together in the scaffolding position. If your ladder didn't come with those trussel brackets, you can check the description below and see the short video on those. When we set the ladder up in this scaffolding position, telescoping plank can be pushed to different lengths depending on how far or how near you need that plank to be. The rung locks allow you to grip that rung. Strong reminder here, always make sure that those rung locks are on the inside of that rung. That could be a potential hazard if for some reason they're found on the other side of the rung towards you. We could overlap one rung, we could overlap two. Always make sure that those rung locks are fully engaged on both the left and the right. When you're setting your plank up in this scaffolding position, we'll remind you here not to exceed this 3-foot height. Whether you're using a model 26, 22, model 17 that we're showing you here, that plank should never be higher than the third rung that we're showing you now. Of course, we can change the height depending on what the needs are. Now it's good to climb. When you're climbing up and stepping on your plank, remember this is so that you can cover more area in less time. This plank is designed to hold one person, 250-pound capacity, and we'll strongly encourage you never to exceed the weight rating on the plank. And a couple of quick reminders here. Always choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, maintain 3 points of contact when you're climbing up or down any ladder. This is the telescoping plank by Little Giant Ladder Systems.